Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I am excited to do a review on this. It's a thermal camera. It's the world's second smallest thermal camera, and I am so excited about this. I've wanted one of these for years and years and years, and I just haven't had the money. And this came up on special offer. It was still a little out of my price range, but I thought if I don't get it now, I'll never be able to afford it. And I've got it, and I'm so excited to actually just try it. So I'm trying to hurry on with this because I haven't even got it out of the box yet. Before I get on though, I'd just like to thank Darren, my Patreon. Dude, you're amazing. Thank you so much for keeping the channel going, and I really appreciate all the help you've given me with the patronage and in real life. I really do appreciate it. Anyway, if you'd like to join him, pop down in the description. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so here it is, and I'm a little bit excited. I don't normally buy myself new toys, especially not ones that are very expensive, and to be honest, this was very expensive. However, it's something that I have needed many, many times in the past, and I thought I'd splurge this time. So, I thought, you know, who needs to eat food and pay bills and all that sort of thing when you buy new toys, you know? So let's open it up and have a look. Before I actually open it, let's have a look at what it says. Oh, it doesn't say anything on it. Nope, completely secret. Just said it's for Android and it's a thermal system. So, here we go. From high temperature range, 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, 600 degrees C. It's plus or minus 1.5% accuracy. It's got a 15 times digital zoom, 25 hertz frame rate, 0.3 watt 400 minute battery life, and the Razer X patented AI image algorithm. That was a bit of a mouthful. At least I got it right this time. I did a video recently where instead of saying opening, I said operating, and I looked like a bit of a wally, but I don't care. By the way, if you hear that whistling, it's not a train going past. The wind is getting in under my windowsill. I will fix it when I get a chance, but I'd rather open toys, to be honest. Now, this looks lovely, and I've just recently done a review on the Pixel 64, and this looks exactly the same type of packaging. The matte black, the thing with this, I assume, is where all the charging wires, etc., and this is where the device is, but let's have a look. It's very nice, well packaged. Okay, Type-C. And I assume that that's one way of plugging it into your phone from a distance, like so you can have it not just directly connected to your phone. But I don't know, this is all speculation. Right, before we do any more, let's have a look at this mini Bible. Okay, so far, let's just go right up here. The English isn't Englishing too well, like there's an extra gap between app and apostrophe S. And it's not 100% English. This has been translated, but it's not too bad. I've seen much worse, you know, where words are just not where they're supposed to be. But yeah, so far, that's not conclusive in any sense of the word. So let's have a look. Okay, and this is just a thank you card and telling you where their after sales support is. Come on. Focusing in on the background. It's the after sales stuff and Facebook and all that sort of jazz. And this is it. Obviously it's in a case. The case looks like a pendant. You could wear that around your neck. It's surprisingly nice. Oh my goodness. Look at how small that is. Like, that's incredible. I love that. Okay, alright. I'm going to go off like always, and I'm going to have a quick read of this. And I don't think it's got any batteries or anything in it, so there's no need to charge. I think it runs directly off the power of the phone. But again, that could just be my initial thoughts. I'll have a quick read of it, and I will be back in a second. Okay, so the first thing it says to do is download a program called Temp Master, and this is it here. When it comes to doing any actual stuff with the item, I'll do a screen recording, but I can't be bothered just to install something. But I can't get over how beautiful that looks. That's absolutely tiny. I know when they said it was small, you know, I didn't bother looking at how big it was or anything. It was the second smallest thermal camera in the world. It's like, how small is the smallest one? If that's like twice the size of my tip of my finger. But this cost me £229, which isn't cheap. But if it works, then it's pretty cool. And we'll go through all of the blurb as we go. So, enjoy functions such as image capture, video taking, and palette on the real-time image output interface. Oh, so you can change the colors of the images as you in real time to decide whether you want the hotspots, you know, darker or lighter. And you can you can re-edit and share photos. And you've got real-time feedback if any issues arise. Experience now. And again, it's obviously an agreement thing. Well, okay, right. It hasn't asked me to sign into anything apart from their warranty section. That is unheard of. Okay. I assume it goes around that way. Okay. I'm going to take off my case. Whop this in. Say not connected. Okay, there you go. Choose an app for the USB device. Temp Master. Always. Yep, okay. All the usual allow stuff. And then if we go into camera. God, there was a handsome man on the screen then. Whoa, beautiful. Okay, so nothing. It is a stupidly hot day today, but look at that. Oh my God. I'm too hot, so I'm actually affecting it, but that is incredible. This is like Ghostbusters. Watch this. Look at this, okay? Can you see that? My actual other handprints are still there. That's incredible. Okay, so we've had a quick look at this. Now, this is what I thought it was, and it's just an extension cable so that we can, you know, have the thermal camera away from the phone if we need to, which I think is really cool. And then this. Now, I nearly made a mistake recording a little while ago, and I picked this up and went, this piece of cheap rubbish after all of the nice things that were in the box. But I've been holding it now, and although it's very, very light, the spring in it is very, very strong. I thought it was a very, very cheap one, but I don't think it actually is. I think it's actually a very, very good one. It's just very, very light. So yeah, I nearly made a mistake saying, oh, this is rubbish, even though I hadn't really checked it out. So that's cool. You can clip that onto your bits and bobs wherever you need to. Like, I just think the fact that this is so small, and you know, you can clip that onto your belt or whatever and have that with you. I just think it's absolutely incredible. But let's check out the app. Okay, so we're now in the app, and I haven't had to look at the instructions at all. We've got the gallery and all the stuff I would have taken photos of. Settings, this is where we can change all the different bits and bobs, and we'll go into that in a second. And then customer service. But if we click on camera, I'm going to face it towards me. And look how hot I am, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so if we press the bottom left button, we now have different temperature controls and different, we can change all the colours, etc. I'm not going to do any of that yet because they've got the preset ones already here. So we can just go with black and white, white and black. Oh my God, I look like Santa Claus. Or Uncle Phil. Yeah, now we've got, you know, all the different colours just to make it easier to, you know, whatever you find easiest to, you know, work out what colours, what heat source is what. And I just think it's such a clever little thing, especially for people with, you know, colour blindness and so on. Green may not be the optimum colour. Then we can go onto camera. We can either record or we can take photos. So picture saved. Now what is this? Oh, opacity. On. Oh wow, that's cool as hell. So we can actually see through my camera, which is actually broken at the moment, so it's not going to be a good quality picture, but you can actually see my desk. So if I turn this round, 1 second. Okay, if we go back to camera, Okay, now we go to this, opacity on. Now if you have a look, you can actually see what through my camera, what we're seeing. They're going to be slightly different because obviously one is right at the bottom of my camera. Sorry, so my camera is at the top of the phone and the actual thingy camera, the thermal camera, is at the bottom. But that just blows my mind. Like, right, I'm touching here. Oh, so no, it is going through the camera as well, is it? That's incredible. Yeah, that's so. No, I am right. Yeah, so it's my camera and the bottom camera. Sorry, got a bit confused. But like, I love this. Look at that. So let's turn that off again. The off-grid family. It's absolutely incredible. Now you have all the different contrast scales, mirror, etc. So you can change everything you need to. This is the only one I haven't really explored, but it's all so straightforward. I'm blown away by it. It's just incredible. So I might try and look at some electronics later if I get a chance to see if we can like charge some batteries and see if they start overheating or whatever. But we'll see. Okay, I love this thing. The fact that it's so small, I'd never expected it to be that small. I know it says it's the world's second smallest, but I didn't know how big the first smallest was, you know. Absolutely incredible bit of kit, and it works so well. The actual app is intuitive. It's just a beautiful all-round bit of kit. I could not be happier with it. Well, I could if it was free or something, but you know what I mean. Even for the price, I think that's actually really good value for what I paid, you know. If you'd like to get one like this, I'll put a link in the description. I'm not sure if by the time this comes out the special offer will still be on. If it is, I will let you know, and I'll put a little do it there. And if I can, I might reach out to the people who do this. Now, this wasn't sponsored, but I might reach out to them and see if they can give me a special offer discount code. If again I can, it'll be in the description. Anyway, thanks again to Darren, and thanks to you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.